Okay, it's Thursday, April 14th. I'm buying some Tesla 1000 puts at 41.51. These go out till next week, so there's plenty of time to go. That's why the premium's so high. But generally, if you look at the 15-minute chart, what you have here is the stock after moving up yesterday, kind of gapped down a little bit. The first move of the day started up, and I bought the puts right when we were kind of going below 1,000 on the, so I'll mark it here. This is kind of where I got in as we were failing on, I'll erase that, on bar number 2, heading lower. And this is the 5-minute chart, and this was kind of the breakdown. I was buying it. I'm back in line with the continuity to the downside. This is a monthly chart which failed 2 up on the month, and we could be, if we take out the midpoint of the prior month, we could be heading all the way down to these lows near 800. The weekly chart is definitely reversed to the downside. We have a 2-down week. We try to rally for a couple of days earlier in the week, and now we're starting back down. And again, on the daily chart, this is the 3 days worth of attempted rally, but now we're starting below the midpoint, heading lower. So, the first move is obviously yesterday's low is 973.10. If we can get below there, it's a 2-down day. But I'm looking at this 15-minute chart and anticipating that the bigger picture takes over and we head much lower, hopefully, much lower today. And then, that'll set up the week, really continuing lower towards these targets here, which is 907, which would be the broadening action to, continue for the, those lower once we can get below this week's low, which was 974. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I just think I just think it was a rally for the last few days that really was just minor. And today we're resuming the, after some, what do you call it? After we, try to get a little bit of a rally here, opposite the big trend, we're now kind of resuming back in line with the big picture targets below. So we'll see how low Tesla goes today, and this should be the high of the day back here, this first little rally on the 5-minute chart. And now, we're heading lower, and we'll just have to see how low Tesla wants to go today in line with the bigger picture.